In our patch behind the farmhouse, where the pace of life is slow, there's a website where just real webs are used. We spend days the way ducks oughta, eating bread thrown on the water, in a way that keeps the younger kids amused. In our land both green and pleasant, every bantam, duck, and pheasant, if they had them, we'd be walking arm in arm. For our life is good and steady till we're plucked and oven ready. It's a poultry tale of folk down on the farm. There's a turkey with a gobble, watch his legs begin to wobble, 'cause Thanksgiving gives him cause for some alarm. We've got pullets, we've got chickens, we've got quails, and what the dickens. It's a poultry tale of folk down on the farm. What a gorgeous vision this is. It's Ida, she's my missus. So forgive me if I'm laying on the smarm. She goes in for heated quacking to point out the skills I'm lacking. It's a poultry tale of folk down on the farm.
Come on down and don't be strangers in our junkyard of free rangers. It's a poultry tale of folk down on the farm.
Here where waterfowl have waddled, little chicks are mollycoddled.
For the cat would like to do them grievous harm. He's our only source of worry, feathers rarely get to flurry. It's a poultry tale of folk down on the farm.
Ha! How they flatter themselves. I never show much interest in this group. I admit I'm quite a glutton, but this feathered form of mutton wouldn't even make a palatable soup. But when those little ducklings hatch, that's a flavor you won't match. They're delicious and I just can't get enough. As a felon who is feline, you won't see me make a beeline for those